Hi friends, welcome to A Wonderful Sheep and welcome to another unboxing. Jungkook's hoodie is here, so let's open it up. Artist Made Collection by BTS. This one is the white hoodie in the large size. I didn't realize the model in the photos was wearing an XL. Usually they wear a medium, so I might have gotten an XL had I known that, but it's supposed to be oversized, so hopefully an L will be fine. A piece of tissue paper that was protecting or covering the printing. Oh no, this looks very bent. Here is the letter. Yep, super bent, but no creases, so I think I can just flatten it. But look how adorable the photo card is. Have you ever seen such round, beautiful doe eyes in your life? So cute. But that will definitely need to be flattened out. And the making log. Here's the making log. What is the product you want to make and why? And it's a hoodie zip up because it's something that you can wear naturally in everyday life, and like it can like 노가들 technically is melting, but it can like blend into everyday life. Here are his photos. The artist per usual. The hair in this section of the making log. And then the 4 different colorways. Sample review. So what is the highlight of your product is there's a variety of colors, and it's sort of a special characteristic fit, so it's pretty. And the hood is very deep, it's like very wide, so you can like wear it deep down on your head. And a tip that you'd like to share about your product, you can just wear the hoodie comfortably. And then the thanks, oh no, look at this, look at him. The thanks to says, I made this while thinking of you all, so I hope you will wear it prettily as you think of me. Thank you. I hope you'll wear it well as you think of me, but 이쁘게 쓰세요 is like, use it well, use it prettily. So cute. Let's look at the hoodie. This is the white large. Let's see the details. It says Armist. Can you see that? Armist on the drawstring. And there is a BTS logo on the zipper. The BTS tag. And the cotton is like, I remember he described it in his video. He wanted sort of like a textured cotton, so that's what it looks like. And the inside is also textured. It's not like the fleece that the other Jimin's With You hoodie and Namjoon's jogger pants are. It's like this textured cotton, so it's not super thick. It's actually pretty thin, which is good because since it is an overfit size, you don't want it to be too bulky. And then the shoulders should come down like this. This is what it looks like. Let's try it on. I really like it. It's very like drapey and big. The sleeves are long. This is what the large looks like, and I think it's very like a cool overfit size. There's this like the like unfinished end. I don't know what you call this, but like it's like the unfinished hem style, and also like down here. And the hood, you guys, like if Jimin's hood covered my forehead, this covers down to my lips. Like you can cover your whole face basically with this hood on. And of course, here's the back design that was based off a design that Jungkook drew. So I think that's it. Very cool item to have. And of course, I will be thinking of Dear JK whenever I wear it. I'll insert clips of the other colors after this, but here is the Jungkook hoodie. The other 2 colors arrived, pink and black, although it looked gray. Let's see what's inside. Okay, here are 3 of the 4 colors, all side by side. They look so good together, but I do have to send at least 1, probably 2 of them away to other army friends who didn't get the hoodies, so I just choose which color to keep for myself. Let me know which color you think I should keep. The dusty pink is really nice, but so is the gray. Like the gray is just classic, but white is also beautiful too. And across the 3 hoodies, it looks like the drawstring end piece is the same silver for all of them, and there's 2 zippers on the hoodie. There was one at the top and one at the bottom. Here's some more detailed shots of the other colorways. One thing I am curious about is how this intentional fraying is going to hold up in the wash, because there is no ribbedness. There's no ribbed hem. I'm sure they tested it out before they sold it, but we'll see how this holds up over time. Oh, maybe not pull on it, because yep, it does unravel a little bit if you intentionally pull on it. So don't pull on it, obviously, but maybe, I don't know, wash it in a mesh bag in the washing machine. Let me know if you know how to care for intentionally frayed hems. And last detail, I forgot to show you all the backs. Pink and white have the black writing with pink and gray splattering, and the black has just white writing with very hard to see gray splattering. So it's pretty subtle. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Stay safe and well. Bye.